Sorry, please, Mr. Moderator, have 1 minute to answer. That's all.
Nakausap mo ba siya ng personal? Oo o hindi?
Ito ang sagot. Hindi na kailangan kausapin ako. Kahit hindi ako nakausap. Pero sa Biblia, ang katotohanan, ang Iglesia pinalapag ni Cristo, Mateo 16:8, hindi mawawala. It cannot totally apostatize because Christ promised even the gates of hell, the demon, cannot destroy the church that Christ led. And it is not the Iglesia ni Cristo 1914, which you know earlier, that is restored because it has disappeared and apostatized. That is false. That's what it tells us. Please, direct question. Senator. Direct question.
Sige, ito na lang. Noong mamaral si kapatid na Felix Manalo, sinabi niya sa mga kapatid sa Iglesia ni Cristo, siya sugo ng Diyos pag-appointed.
Ito ang sagot. Si Ginoong Felix Manalo, it is only his claim na sinabi sa kanya. Pero sa Biblia, Jeremiah 23:21, God says, I did not command them, nor I did speak to them, I did not send them, but they claim I sent them. These people, these false prophets and messengers, God has not spoken to them, even in dreams, even in visions, even verbally, because you failed in your affirmative stand, reading the Bible. Felix Manalo is not in Scripture.
Last 2 minutes.
Direct question, please. Medyo.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung sabi mo eh.
Tagalog yun, hindi ko maintindihan.
Okay.
We agree Tagalog.
You are speaking in tongues. Okay. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan.
Direct question, Mr. Moderator. Objection.
Please make it a little bit slowly.
Okay.
Last 2 minutes. My question is, sabi mo kanina, 1920 ko lang, nanalo sa kapatid na Manalo ni Tinuro sa Isuto. Ang sabi ko kanina sa iyo, yung mga kapatid natin, 1914 pa nang matawag, sinasabi na nila, si kapatid na Manalo ay sasabi, siya ay sugo. Ngayon, sino paniniwalaan ko? Yung mga nakausap ni kapatid na Manalo o ikaw na nakinig ng chismes?
Mr. Moderator, I have 1 minute. Please, let's open the lesson. Give me 1 minute because I'm waiting for your 1 minute question. The answer is, it is only a mere claim by Felix Manalo and his members